Hi everyone, happy Friday. Hi Jamie. Come on, you ready to sing? You have been up and out for a long time now. You've had time to snack and warm up and do all the things. Now it's time to sing. His new thing is we record this, and the second that I'm done and I'm playing it back and have to leave, then he starts singing. He sings along with the recording because he's a brat. And unfortunately he's a bird, so I can't fire him. All right, I'm going to do a little bit of original song that I did at the show on Friday. Just the first part and the whole chorus. He said, darling, spread your wings. It's time for you to fly. I'm working on getting stronger, but the time is passing by. Don't you dare say that to me. I'm always here for you. Sometimes you'll be ahead, sometimes it'll be me, but love will see us through. Together we'll succeed. So don't walk in front, 'cause I may not follow. Don't walk behind me, 'cause I may not lead. Just have a little faith in our love and destiny. Just have a little faith in our love and destiny. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bird, you are so fired. How come you're not singing today? What are you going to do? Have a great weekend, everyone. Go spread the love. You are loved. You are needed. There's a master plan. Just keep putting one foot in front of the other. Focus on the good things, and you'll be inviting them in. Oh, okay, now. All right. Much love to all of you. Go spread it.